is called Catch, and the rules are as follows. Well, first of all, the object of the game is to get your piece through the board to the finish line, trying to not land on the red squares, and to get there as quickly as possible.
Okay.
If you land on a red square, you have to pick up a red card. If you land on a green square, you pick up a green card or a blue card here. So generally they're bonus cards, they're penalty cards. If you land on a red square and you have to move back, and then by moving back you land on another coloured square, it doesn't count.
Okay.
You just stop there. You don't have to either pick up a card or spin the wheel. If you land on a red and green square, you spin the wheel, and that decides which you pick.
Okay.
Okay. To win the game, when you're close to the finish line, you have to get the exact number of pieces to get off. Yeah.
Yeah. So like when I'm standing here, what they are, here it has to be 1, there it has to be 2.
Exactly.
So, okay. One, two, three.
Right. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You lose a crew member over the side. Go back to port and start again.
Oh! I didn't put that on purpose somewhere. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. You really got it with the red one.
Oh. Half your crew turn up drunk for work. Move back 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Very realistic.
It's just me. I think there's more.
1.
4. Ah.
It counts.
1, 2, 3, 4. Fish fall in fish stocks. Move back 2 places. 1, 2.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I'm just avoiding them,
1, 2,
but also the green ones.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's the ones I had to move back because of you.
1, 2, 3, 4. Right, spin the wheel. Yes. Oh, you land a rare 100 kg bluefin tuna and it sells at the market for £1,000 per kilo. Move forward 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? So bad. So bad. That can't be right.
Yes.
Damn! Right, so I have to pick a red card now. Bad weather prevents you from fishing. Miss a turn.
Oh.
2, 3, 4. Oh, it's getting close.
Yes! Whoop, whoop.
Right.
Right, the winner what? Doesn't it do the washing up? Starting? 3. 1, 2, 3.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Off to a great start. You lose a crew member. Start again. I should have just done them. Three. 1, 2, 3.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Successfully avoiding fields.
1, 2, 3.
You not?
A super super factory trawler has fished out all the fish in your area. You and the skipper to the left of you must move back 5 spaces.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're so bad. I'm just losing because of
Do
you.
I get to see the green again?
No.
It.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoop, whoop.
That's so bad.
See, I was just giving you a feeling to make yourself feel safe, and then.
So what do you think of the game?
I think it's cool. Like, even though I thought, like, oh god, it's gonna go really fast then, in the beginning here, when I was able to avoid the field.
Yeah.
Maybe it's good to put just some more of the middle ones, because it would be nice to have more use of the wheel. Like, just to throw 2 into the field. Like, one maybe here and one more here, or even more towards the end, you know? So, because to have it more difficult to get actually into the finish line, you know? To have maybe more condensed up here, a bit more.
Yeah. What about the speed of the game?
I think it's fine. I mean, it is a kind of fast game, but that's you know, it's a board game. That's a kind of. I think that's fine, and with 4 people, it's going to be a lot slower as well. I think.
Yeah.
It's really just 2 people. I mean, it would be double the time we would spend. And I think for a board game, it's a straightforward board game, also for younger children. So. You know, it's not like a card game where you like poker or whatever, where you build up strategies.
Are the content? What do you think of the content of the game cards?
I think they're cool. It's just we had some so similar. So like.
I shuffled them up. That was part of it.
Yeah, I think they're cool. Just for children, I might not use the one with the drunk people actually.
Yeah.
And also, like for children, like I would use a lot more bad weather. I mean, like consumer demands and like that. A child wouldn't be able to understand that, you know, probably. I know you want to educate, but then maybe to just name it differently, you know.
Yeah.
Like people want more cod, for example, instead of consumer demands,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
that like children can understand it more. Some speed.
And how did you find the board itself?
Much better than the other board you had before, because it's you can't go wrong on that. Because the other one was a bit more difficult to, which field do I leave out, or which one will I not leave out, on the corners. So like this, it's straightforward. I mean, it's very straightforward, and I think it would be really cool for. If you're 4 people, then each one can have 1. I thought even if it's 2 people, you just give each one just 2, and they have to bring in the 2 of them, you know.
Yeah.
To increase also time. Then people can obviously, like if I have 2 and one is like here and one is there and each one has 1, and I can obviously choose which one, a bit more strategic.
Yeah.
But then with 4 people, it's fine to have 1 each.